Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming 12th generation Apple tablet. We are talking about a super-fast A18 chip, massive AI upgrades, 8GB of memory, and a budget-friendly price tag coming this fall. Before we jump in, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe. The budget problem. Let's rewind briefly. A few years ago, Apple gave their base model a beautiful redesign with flat edges, but it came with a huge problem: the price skyrocketed to $450. It priced out the average buyer and forced people to use a clunky first-generation Apple Pencil adapter. Thankfully, Apple listened to the complaints, dropping the price back down to a much more reasonable $329 for the 11th generation. A massive leap forward, specs and AI. Now, the 12th generation is shaping up to be a massive leap forward. Forget minor speed bumps, this tablet is getting a brain transplant. The A18 chip, all rumors point to the standard iPad getting the incredibly powerful A18 chip, the exact same silicon powering today's flagship smartphones. Apple Intelligence, this chip brings dedicated silicon for artificial intelligence. For the first time, you won't need an expensive, Pro model to get access to advanced AI writing, drawing, and organizational tools. 8GB of RAM. To handle these heavy AI tasks on device, the memory is jumping from 6GB to a massive 8GB of RAM. This means buttery-smooth multitasking in gaming. Design and battery reality check. Before you get too excited, do not expect a redesign. All reliable leaks indicate the exterior will remain completely unchanged. Same display and port, you are getting the same screen, the same speaker setup, and the same USB-C port. Same battery life, because the chassis remains identical, battery life will stay at the standard full day of normal use. Apple is treating this purely as an internal performance upgrade to keep manufacturing costs, and the retail price, as low as possible. Pricing and release date. Speaking of price, Apple is committed to keeping this affordable. The price, the base model should stay right around the $329 to $350 mark, giving you 128GB of storage right out of the box. The release date, circle September or October on your calendar. Apple is delaying the hardware launch slightly so it perfectly aligns with the public release of their new, bug-free AI software this fall. The ultimate everyday device. By focusing entirely on internal performance, Apple is making a brilliant move. This 12th gen tablet is going to absolutely dominate the budget market. Whether you are a student typing essays and using AI to check your grammar, a gamer looking for a smooth experience, or just someone who wants a bright screen to watch movies and read books, this will be the best value in tech. It acts as a smart home hub, a digital canvas, a language tutor, and a second screen for your laptop, all for under $350. Outro. So, what do you guys think about these new features? Are you willing to wait until the fall to pick up this powerful new budget tablet? Let me know your completely honest thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and hit that like button on your way out. See you in the next one.